Arjun, I am sweating buckets and I'm so furious. I've been looking everywhere in this parking lot for your car.
इतना बड़ा पार्किंग लॉट है, मेरी क्या गलती है? घूमोगी
तो तू भी तो इतना बड़ा लड़का है. How can you lose your car?
अरे यार, इधर उधर करी होगी किसी ने गाड़ी. अरे मेरी क्या गलती है इसमें?
This has happened before. Because of Arjun Dikshit, I am late to a meeting or a shoot or an event or even a date. Thanks.
ये रहा पार्किंग लॉट, तुम ढूंढ दो.
मैं नहीं ढूंढूंगी because technology है मेरे पास और तुम्हारे पास बिल्कुल दिमाग नहीं है.
मुझे पता था ये सारा कुछ इसीलिए कर रही है क्योंकि कुछ है
if
इसके
you
पास.
also are a scatterbrain like Arjun and continue to lose your car in parking lots, whether you're in a cinema hall or whether you go shopping or whether you
बता दो माँ, बता दो.
If you want to track your car and not lose it and stand out in the sun sweating buckets like I am and Arjun is, then we've got a great app for you and a technology. It's called Track and Tell. There's some hardware and an app in it. So while I slap Arjun, you take a look at how to track and tell.
While we find my car.
Finding your car in a large parking lot with scores of others. Well, for scatterbrains like Arjun, this is a common occurrence. And this is where a device like Track and Tell comes into play. Now, before we get into how this works, worry not. A technician from the company will come and fit the device in your car, and the company claims that it has a pan-Indian presence. The best part here is that the device does not tamper with the wiring of the car and is pretty non-interfering. So no, it won't affect your car's warranty. Once you install it, using it is actually very simple, and here we'll break it down for you and show you just how. In the first step, download the free companion app. It's called Intelli7 by Track and Tell. Next up, enter the username and password sent to you by the company. Once you're in, you will see the exact location of your car on the map. You can even see the history of where your car has been on the lower half of the screen. This may prove useful in case you're investigating into your better half's whereabouts. But on a serious note, in case you are stranded or have an emergency on your hands, or your car has been stolen, Track and Tell can be of great help. All you have to do is simply toggle the engine immobilizer tab to on the app, and your engine will be remotely turned off after a minute or so. As long as you're in an area with network, of course. And only then can you switch on the ignition once you enable it from the app. To test how effective this is, I sent Arjun around town to see if we could track him through the app. So if you tap on this arrow on the top, it will show you the distance of your car from you currently. So I know that Arjun is just 2 minutes away and hasn't gone too far. This feature is especially useful for parents who want to track their children. And in case you are in trouble and are driving alone, Track and Tell comes with a panic button which is installed in your car. If you press the button, your phone will get a notification. However, in our case, the notification alert took its time and was not as instantaneous as it should have been. Track and Tell relies on GSM network after all, and if that is poor, the notifications may not be up to date. Track and Tell is priced at ₹6,000 and the company sends a technician to assist in installing the device. With a pan-India presence, this device packs in a lot of tech and is a sure shot way to track your car. But it's up to you if you're willing to dole out that much money to track your car. So Arjun, I have a question for you. What did you think of Track and Tell? Did you think it's a cool device?
I think it's a great device, Priyanka. It will make our family much more safer. बट मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होगी ना, हमेशा शो में ऐसे डिवाइसेस आते हैं जिससे ये मुझे तंग कर सके. अब पल पल ट्रैक करेगी, पल पल मेरे को झूठ नहीं बोलने देगी.
You know, you wish that I'll use this device to track you, but guys, jokes apart, it's a great device, especially if you have a big family with multiple cars and your children tend to travel to tuitions or other places with drivers or domestic help, and you want to keep track of them at all times, then I suggest use Track and Tell. My only problem was that in areas where the network is poor, it relies on your GSM and you may not be able to use the panic button as effectively as you should.
ट्रैक तो कर सकते हो ना यार, something is better than nothing.
Alright, so that was Track and Tell. Now you Track and Tell.
चलो ट्रैक करें.